The EE Box Pro makes downloading apps incredibly straightforward. This Android TV-powered device gives you access to thousands of apps through a simple, user-friendly interface. The Google Play Store comes pre-installed on your EE Box Pro and serves as your primary gateway to downloading apps. It provides access to thousands of applications, all optimized for the television viewing experience. Step 1 is simple. Navigate to the Google Play Store using your remote control. You'll find the Play Store icon on your Android TV home screen, typically in the top row of apps. Step 2. Use the search function within the Play Store. Simply type the name of the app you're looking for, such as Netflix, Disney+, or BBC iPlayer. The search is intuitive and will show relevant results as you type. Step 3. Once you've found your desired app, simply select it and click the Install button. The download and installation process will begin automatically, and you'll see a progress indicator. Your EE Box Pro gives you access to all the most popular streaming apps. Netflix, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, YouTube, and many more are all available for download. Each app maintains its familiar interface, optimized for your television screen. Before you start downloading apps, make sure you have a Google account to access the Play Store. Remember that while many apps are free to download, services like Netflix and Disney+ require separate subscriptions. A stable internet connection will ensure smooth downloads and streaming. Once installed, your new apps will appear in the Apps section of your home screen, ready to use. The EE Box Pro makes it simple to build your perfect entertainment setup with just a few clicks of your remote. For advanced users, the EE Box Pro offers additional capabilities beyond the standard Play Store. You can sideload applications and manage your device's storage more effectively. Sideloading means installing applications directly from APK files rather than through the Google Play Store. This allows you to access apps that may not be officially available for Android TV. First, you need to enable unknown sources in your device settings. Navigate to Settings, then Security, and toggle on the Unknown Sources option. This allows installation of apps from sources other than the Play Store. Next, you need to obtain the APK files. Download them from trusted sources like APK Mirror or APK Pure, or directly from the developer's website. Transfer these files to your EE Box Pro using a USB drive or network transfer. However, be very cautious when sideloading apps. Only download from trusted sources, as these apps may not be optimized for the TV interface and could pose security risks. They won't receive automatic updates and may cause system instability. The EE Box Pro has limited internal storage, typically between 8 to 16 gigabytes. This can fill up quickly with multiple apps and their data, requiring active storage management. To manage storage effectively, regularly uninstall unused apps through the Settings menu. Clear app cache periodically to free up space, and if supported, move apps to external USB storage for additional room. For optimal performance, restart your device monthly, use a wired internet connection when possible, keep your software updated, and monitor storage usage regularly. Only install apps you actually plan to use to maintain system efficiency.